So let me show you the muffins. This is the egg muffin that we made in air fryer, and it just took 5 minutes for the prep and 15 minutes in the air fryer. Super easy and a very delicious recipe that you can make in air fryer. So let's see. It has spinach, tomatoes, Italian seasoning, cheese, and it's made in muffin pan. Look at these. So healthy, super good, very tasty. My kids loved it. Tomatoes, you can add bell peppers also. Spinach, I have added jalapenos here. Let's see how to make egg muffins. These are also called mini frittatas, and they are a combination of a wetness from the eggs and added vegetables that make it as a spongy texture. So let's see how to make it. So here I'm taking chopped cheddar, 1 cup, 5 eggs. This is 1 jalapeno. I will take 2 tablespoons of this. Tomatoes, spinach, onion. I have taken half small onion, finely chopped, and these are the spices that I'm going to add into this mix. So here I've taken red chili flakes, and there is parsley, oregano, and salt per taste. So here we are taking all the eggs in a bowl. Next, add the spices. 1 teaspoon of each: oregano, red chili flakes, dried parsley, salt per taste, or you can take 1 teaspoon of salt also. Add the veggies. So here I am taking tomatoes. This is 1 tomato. Next we add onion. I have taken half small onion here. 1 cup chopped spinach. Next we add 2 tablespoons jalapenos. Now whisk it well. Now I'm going to add 1 cup sharp cheddar cheese here. There's 2 ways of making this. Either you fill all the veggies and then pour the egg mix only, egg and the spices, or else you can mix it like this also. The outcome is the same thing in both ways. So here I'm going to use a silicone egg muffin pan. These are very good. It gives a very nice texture. When the egg muffins came, it was nice, fluffy, big in size, the size that we normally like. I'm going to brush oil on these egg muffin pan and add the mixture to it. Super simple recipe. It just takes 5 minutes for the prep, cutting all the veggies and doing everything, mixing everything, and 15 minutes it will take in the air fryer. Now it's all set to be air fried. Place this silicone pan in the air fryer basket. And set it at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. You do not need to flip it. It's done. And now it's ready to be served. This is one recipe that remains so good that it does not get hardened, like normally when we make chicken, you have to enjoy it as soon as it's come out of the air fryer, else it becomes little hard. But this is that this baked egg is like you can enjoy it even the next day. You can store it in the freezer, you can have it for next day, and it remains spongy and fluffy like this and tastes super good. Very delicious. With minimal ingredients, we can make a nice delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed the easy egg muffin recipe that I shared with you. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So whenever there's a new video upload, you will get the notification. See you soon in my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.